if the knife depth is wrong, for example, this one. Now this tool is at the highest position. Here is the coordinate of the Z. Z is an oscillating tool. Press it, it will change to Z1. It's a driving rotate tool. Now 0 and 0, it means the oscillating tool is at the highest position. And here, SP4, press this button. Change the knife depth number to 0, 0, and then press this button to adjust the knife depth. Okay, now the knife depth is 29. And press this button. The tool will go to the knife depth position. But now there is a large distance. Now we need to know this distance. And here, change it to 5 and press this button to drop the tool.
牙片吃给他，我没事，我不知道。看着那个机器上没牙片，我回来。
Now it's very close to this position, to the felt. And here this number is 6196, and here is 2996. You need to use this number to minus this one. 61 and 29, 30 is 30. 32, and then press test. Press config, then press this one. And here the Z0, 32. Enter. The Z0 is the oscillating tool, and Z1 is the driving rotate tool. And then press adjust SP4. Press this one to adjust the knife depth again. Okay, and move the cutter head to this area. And then press this button to drop the tool. And now we check whether the knife depth is right. It's correct. Now it's okay. And this method is also can be used for this tool.